Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this posting by one of the Reddit user. Um, I think his account got deleted, but it's still here. So basically, he's stating that be aware of Tesla car reliability, and I'm going to read some of this so that way we can go together. And then I want to share my experience of owning a Tesla and to see if it contradicts with what we're reading, right? So I'm having bad experiences after buying 2024 Tesla Model 3. I'm assuming this is the rear-wheel drive. So I search online. I wish I knew the following information earlier. Please do your homework before buying a car, not just blindly join a popular circle. According to the search results, Tesla vehicles generally rank poorly for reliability and have high repair needs compared to other automakers. Here are the key points regarding about Tesla repair numbers and reliability rankings. Consumer Reports ranked Tesla number 14th out of 30 brands for overall predicted reliability, which is below average. Their survey data shows Tesla models require more repairs than average. The Tesla Model 3 and Model Y are ranked as the most reliable Tesla models by Consumer Reports, with predicted reliability score of 47 out of 100 and 41 out of 100 respectively, which are around average for new cars. The Tesla Model S and Model X are ranked as the least reliable Tesla models, with very low predicted reliability scores of 30 over 100 and unranked respectively by Consumer Reports. In J.D. Power's 2021 Vehicle Dependability Study, Tesla ranked 38th out of 33 brands for repair problems reported in the 3 years old vehicle, scoring worse than the industry average. And analysis by topspeed.com showed Tesla was ranked number 27 out of 28th automaker by Consumer Reports for dependability, citing issues like battery fires, recalls, and problems with electronics, body components, and suspensions as contributing factors to poor reliability. So in summary, while the Model 3 and Model Y are fare slightly better, Tesla vehicle generally requires more repairs than average and ranked near the bottom for reliability compared to other automakers, according to the major studies by Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. Okay, so I don't own all of the vehicles there, but I do own a Tesla 2023 Tesla Model Y. And I want to share my experience of buying the vehicle. So if you're new to Tesla, the buying experience will be different for sure. Because Tesla, they want to revolutionize. You're not gonna sit at the dealerships and haggle back and forth with the salesperson, and then for 6 to 8 hours and to get the vehicle done. Tesla, they streamline everything online, and the price will be the same for anybody. You like the price, you buy. You don't like it, you go somewhere else. No haggle. So I bought my car, I think December of 2022, and back then Tesla was in really high demand. So they're selling the car faster than they can make. So I bought my car from the inventory. As soon as I see the car pops up, I bought it, and I did all the paperwork, like financially, everything through the Tesla to online. And within, I think, maybe two days, and I got like a notifications and appointment to pick up the car. That's how fast it is. Everything is just so fast. And right now, within the 2 years, right now I have close to 19,000 miles on the car, and in about a month it'll be 2 years, right? So I don't drive a lot, and the only things that I have done to the car as far as like maintenance wise, if you watch my channel, was changing the air filter, which is really easy. You unscrew a couple clips, and then you just pop in the two new filters, and that was it. And other than the windshield wiper fluids, I haven't done it. And besides the tire rotations, other than that, you just charge up your vehicle and you go. So I don't know where this user is saying all the reliability, stuff like that. So, okay, going back to the process of buying the vehicle, right? So, to me, it was like a whole new thing, right? I drove my brother's Tesla once, and that was it. But I bought the car without seeing the car, So it's a different environment and a different experience, I went there and to the dealership or service center, and it has my name tag inside the vehicle. It's like, congratulations, Jonathan, right? And after I went in, I talked with the sales rep or the receptionist, and she had like another gentleman who walked me to the car and asked me if I know how to use the vehicle. And I think he spent like about another 7 or 10 minutes with me, just basically going around and showing me how to use the vehicle. And that was it. And within the first 100 miles, if there's any defects, you can use the app and you can do like a service request, and they would come out and they would make it right for you. So in my case, the door trim, it wasn't aligned properly, so it was off. So I put in a service request for that. And on the back of the taillights, I think the passenger side, the rear one, it has condensations, right? So I put in a service request for that. And also the cabin camera, it wasn't pushed all the way up. That one, there's no service request needed. I just put it up there. Of course, it's not perfect, but Tesla, they will do whatever it takes to make you happy, right? So, but the service center in Walnut was the people there are really nice. Just the process of dropping off the car and picking it up is different too. I don't need to talk to anybody. When I drop the car, I just put the key card in one of the slot, and that was it. But overall, it's really, really nice. Since I have solar in my house, I don't have to spend any money on the electricity. And not only that, but I have 10,000 miles supercharging. I think I still have like 4,000 miles left until January of this year, right? So people telling you about Tesla this and Tesla that. So any car any manufacturer, of course, nothing is perfect. So eventually, there's gonna be like some kind of issue, but it depends on how the manufacturer deal with the issues is what matters, right? So, but as far as my experience with Tesla so far, I have nothing to complain. Not only that, but talking about like the insurance. I think there's the first insurance company that actually lowered the price. I swear to God, it's unbelievable. So this is something that you need to keep in mind when you're buying a Tesla. The insurance is going to be higher. The registration is going to be higher. But other than that, I don't think there's much else where you need to worry about, right? But before I had Tesla insurance, I was with Wawanisa. They raised the price, was just like out of the moon, as I said, boom, like from this all the way to that, But I decided to go with Tesla, and I made a video, maybe a couple of videos prior, where my monthly was $232, and now it's $212, right? So I haven't seen any company out there that actually dropped the price within the last 5 years. All of the companies here, they're trying to increase the premium like crazy. They give, like with the last one with Wawanisa, I asked them what was the large increase of the premium. They said, if something's wrong with your Tesla, we're just gonna total it and we'll give you a new car. I don't know, is that a legit reason? But yeah, so I don't know. So let's read some of the comments from some of the people that actually own Tesla, and then we're gonna see what they say about this. So let's go. Okay, so every one of these guys, there are 99 happy Tesla owners. Don't be a sour grape. Not according to all of the ratings are posted. So here, 3 years ago, the owner of Tesla is now promoting the robo-taxi as the future of his company, since, as it turns out, only 30% of Americans will consider buying an EV. Currently, used Tesla vehicles are now cluttering up used car lots across the country. If you wish to buy an earlier model for 50% depreciations. Hertz went all in on Tesla and buying 100 feet. This is and dump 20,000. Yeah, so this one is yes. There's a lot of people making videos about where you can get used Tesla from Hertz for about, I say maybe from 14,000 all the way to up to 27,000. Right, so that is kind of true. But if you watch the Robo-Taxi, Elon said that there might be he might combine with the Optimus and with Robo-Taxi for a package deal for 60,000, but they have to do a mass produce on that one before they can even get to that price. Here, you didn't list your experiences. Yeah, it's good to know what went wrong, right? And recently, you can go to any Tesla subreddit to see the repairs being reported by owners. Okay. This one, 2 months ago, I bought my 2023 Model 3 rear-wheel drive with LFP battery. Means that they can charge up to 100%, new in May 2023. It has almost 16,000 miles on it, and the only issue I've had was a slight clicking noise from the front suspension. And when I turned the wheel, the service center fixed it, and it has been fine. Never returned in thousands of miles. See, so that's a good one right there. Those reliability magazines are hot garbage. They mix cosmetic and usability subjective ratings in with things like the radiator was shot. I've had a Tesla Model 3s and minor issues fixed quickly at the service center. Yes, it would be better if there weren't issues, but hardly a deal breaker. Tesla, if you really think about it, it is more like a software company rather than like a car company, right? So of course they're not perfect, but the thing about me, if you ask me, I bought the car when it was really high, right? And do I regret it? You know, I'm kind of mad because after 3 weeks, Elon dropped 13,000 miles, and then now they qualify for the 7,500 tax credit as well too. So that's like almost $20,000 that I got hit with, right? But the thing is, with the Tesla Model Y, it's very comfortable to drive. The speed is there. It's the cornering, the handling. It's amazing car. If you never driven a Tesla, don't listen to anybody out there talking all kind of negative stuff. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Tesla, right? I'm making videos of this to share my experience to let the audience know what the truth is, right? So if you live by a near like service center where they have the demo, go try it out. See if you like it. All you need is just a driver's license and make an appointment online, and that was it. And you can do it for 30 minutes. I did it with my last video, and the kids loved the Tesla Cybertruck. So, again, yeah, it's just pretty much what I'm trying to say is don't believe with what you read, because they will tell you if they have a bad experience, and then they'll just make it 100 times worse than what it is. But as far as a Tesla owner like myself, my sister, my brother, and my nephew, we all love Tesla, by the way, right? So of course, nothing is perfect. There's an issue, like I said, but as long as they're standing behind it, they're fixing it, they're trying to make it correct, then what is the issue, right? Yeah, guys, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla, feel free to leave in the comment below. As right now, Tesla are promoting, so if you pick up the vehicle before end of the year, you're gonna get 3 free months of full self-driving and 3 months of supercharging. And if you use my referral code, there's gonna be about, depending on the vehicle you pick, from 1,000 to 2,000. I believe a Model Y, Model 3 will be $1,000 off, and the Model S, X, and Cybertruck will be $2,000 off. All right, so you might want to take advantage of that. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.